will remember the beauty and happiness we cherished a year ago as we celebrate another founding anniversary of our beloved school for 14 awesome years. To begin, I wanted to thank the initiative and efforts of our beloved founder and school administrator, Dr. Michelle C. Subay, our administrator, Ms. Lalaine S. Torres, and our dear principal, Dr. Miyaka H. Pico, for doing their best for the school's betterment and success. This event would not be possible without you, ma'am. I also want to thank the teachers of Grade 8 Ezekiel for putting up with us through the year. To Ms. May, thank you for being our most beautiful advisor, and thank you for teaching us about science. Sir Wendell, thank you for teaching us about how life works, the good and bads about it. Ms. Majo, thank you for teaching us skills, and thank you for making us show our artistic talents. Ms. Ruth, thank you for teaching us about mathematics and the uses of it. To Ms. Cass, thank you for making us learn proper grammar and how to use it. There's no way but up as we continue to move forward and upward despite the uncertainties and challenges that comes along our way. Always remember that it is our duty as LMVA Tigers to love, care for, and protect our home, the Miss Pavil Academy. Our advocacy will not stop here, as we will ensure that we will make this world a better place where peace and kindness will always prevail. As I bid my farewell message and do my final walk, please be reminded that the greatest generation, silent generation, baby boomers, Generation X, millennials, Gen Z, and Gen Alpha, we're all champs. I want to send a message to a new LMVAians. We will make a good student out of you. We will teach you new things, and you will discover new things. We will help you build and construct your future to be the best you can be. Once again, I am McLaren A. Arenas, your Mr. LMVA Tigers 2024.
Alright, thank you very much.